Hey guys, it's Thalia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to film my everyday makeup look. This is what I do on a daily basis when I'm running long errands. Basically when I go to work, except for Mondays. Mondays, for some reason, I don't have the manage to get up early and glam up. So today I was like, this is actually perfect since I'm running long errands, gonna do a little few shopping. I was like, why not do an everyday makeup look? I want to say something, guys. Right now I cannot really smile that big. I want to smile and, you know, like say, hey, welcome, you know. It's hard to smile because right now my whole lip area is swollen. You know, like around the smurf area, it hurts. And I want to smile, but I can't because it makes it even worse. Throughout this video, I'm not going to put any lipstick, no lip gloss. I'm just going to put like chapstick probably, and just so my lips can recover. But I did want to film and just give you a little update of my look. Thanks so much for, you know, sticking around with me, subscribing to my channel, and I see you guys who I subscribe. I see you guys hustling, uploading videos. Keep up the good work, guys. It's really nice to see your video. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel, guys. You guys are always welcome. I'm so glad that you guys are part of this video with me, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Eyebrows. Off camera, I did my eyebrows. I will be doing a little small clip of my eyebrows, just like a little update. My Badescu spray, just to give it a little hydrate, a little glowy in the face. For primer, I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And basically with this primer, I'm just gonna go in my T-zone area. So right here, my chin, my forehead, and kind of like my nose. So kind of like massage it a little. And basically, just where my porous areas are at, you know. Foundation, I'm gonna go in with Cosmetic CC Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream, and this is hydrating serum. This one is the shade Light. It suits me a little bit more better. I think so. I'm sorry about the lighting, especially the background. That's my curtains. Like I said, I'm trying to make it better, a setup for you guys, and trying to like manage this area, make it a little bit much better. And I'm just gonna go in with my Real Technique Beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna go in with my Badescu and just gonna spray my sponge, and basically I'm just gonna like blend in my foundation. And I do want it to be very glowy, very, you know, nice, everyday glowy look. When it comes to like long errands, I like to, you know, look much better. Whatever's left on the sponge, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on my eyelid as well, just to blend in with my with my skin. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte concealer. This one is the shade Fair Beige. This one I'm basically gonna apply it in my eye area, on my nose, chin, and then forehead. I'm gonna apply my Cupid's bow. And I'm just gonna spray my sponge again, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my concealer. I'm gonna go in with my Airspun loose face powder. This one is the shade Translucent Extra Coverage. And for this, I'm actually gonna use my sponge, and I'm just gonna set the areas where I apply my concealer. And I'm just gonna apply this. I like to look up because I feel like it kind of like works, and it kind of really sets up the eyes. And then I'm also gonna apply it on my nose just to set it, you know. A little bit on my forehead, my chin, because that's where I get cakiness when I don't set it. It's just really annoying. And then I'm not gonna set my whole face because I do want it to be a little glowy, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust the powder. And whatever is left on the brush, I'm just gonna go ahead in my eyelid and just set it. Bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit bronzer. Bronze up my face. Just kind of like look a little. I like to go upwards and do the other side as well. Just gonna apply the bronzer. Like on my forehead, just to be a little bronzy. I love bronzer a lot, guys. For blush, I'm gonna go in with my Apricot in the Middle by Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna go ahead and take my my Amazon blush brush. Just gonna apply it on my cheekbones, just to give it a little shine. Eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with my Pixi Plus It's Judy Time, and I'm actually going to be taking the lightest shade. I'm gonna be taking, this one was just Honeybear, and take my Morphe M518 brush, and for this shade I'm basically just gonna go over my crease. I just want it to be very simple, not too much for an everyday, you know. And basically all over my lid, and drag it all the way down upwards and kind of like blend it. Same thing for the other eye, just to give it a little define on the eye so it won't look so plain, you know. Highlighter, I'm actually gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be taking the shade Summer. Oops. This shade right here, and basically with this shade I'm actually going to apply it in my inner corners of my eye, just to give it a little glow in the eyes, you know, so you won't look, just a little something that will spark up the look, you know. My e.l.f. defining brush, and for this shade I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corner of my eyes, so it can just give it a little shine in the look, just to make the eyes a little pop up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my point of my nose, and then I'm gonna drag it downwards of my nose. Keep it still just a little bit because my lips are not in the mood. I'm just gonna go back with Honeybear, and I'm actually going to apply it underneath my under eyes, just to give it a little define in the eyes. Just to give it a little something. And then to set my brows, I'm just gonna go in with my Wet n Wild mascara, and I'm just gonna go like the end of my eyebrows, just to set them. To set my whole face, I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. Just gonna go in with my Tarte Expose highlight, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight, just to give it a nice glow. And I'm gonna go ahead on the temple of my forehead, just like on the sides. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is really good, and I do need a mirror for this because I cannot do it with the camera, so I'm just gonna use this Ulta Beauty little mirror, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara. My lashes. I'm not gonna apply mascara on my bottom lashes. For lips, I'm gonna go in with my chapstick, which is strawberry. I don't want it like any lipsticks around my lips because they're still recovering, just put it that way. And I'm just gonna go in with this one, the Blistex, which works really good. Red, and I put on this, and this actually helps. So I'm just gonna apply it on my lips, and just so I can. So this is kind of like my everyday makeup look. It's very simple, very easy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a huge big thumbs up if you guys really enjoy this video, if you really like this look, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Just hit that red button and the notification bell so you won't miss any videos of mine. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.